So as we have opened the shades to the 4 windows, we have left the rod floating on all of them, which makes a tiny magnetic field. And we wonder suddenly, because this one doesn't stop, it seems to be quite in auto motion for maybe 3-4 minutes already. It's receding, but so slowly it takes a new angle each time. We wonder if a tiny black hole was to cross a magnetic field, what would it cause to the motion of this rod that would be suspended to the magnetic field and the rotation of the Earth? And as you see, it doesn't recede. It seems to be a perpetual moment. And because it's already 1 minute, it hasn't changed much, a little. And so, what if we were in a world with tiny black holes that would create gravitational and magnetic field and also delivering information all the time by the scrambling and the radiation of what it takes to remain so small. And as you see, we don't change the angle, but the movement is amplifying on this rod. So maybe it's only the wind of our voice because we are close, but there is the shield of the phone which is recording. It's really strange. This is kind of the pendule, the Foucault's pendulum, because the movement is perpetual to, so could we leave the camera here and see if it lasts longer? No, it's receding slowly. If we try to correct, I've removed, you could check, no, it's an astonishing result of the idea to have suspended like 4 giant magnetic field of our understanding of what it is into these 4 magnets to catch the rod of the shades we lift up this morning. We'll try and see, come back in a minute, we're going to pause and see if it's later still on. Meanwhile, we thought we could do the drawing once more. So to recall the stake, at this time we don't know if we're in the red or the white, because there is an indetermination of reality itself and the way it is or it is not settling the various events that must produce in the world. So what would be the odd? We would guess the white would come out because we would exceed the frame of the possibilities of our action. A good possibility would be the red would continue to haunt our days to work towards more peace. If we said yesterday we wouldn't draw again to remain into the advantage of this uncertainty, now that we know we have realized an operation in the white universe that makes it as solvable as the red universe, so we don't depend on this again. So given that there is no stake, since we have made the crossing between the two, and we would like to spend some time in the white universe today, with the possibility to come back to the red later, or would we prefer to remain into the uncertainty of not drawing this game today? And we are going to go back to see if the rod is still moving to make our decision to come back after and draw or not.